So let's start the synthesis of aspirin in laboratory. So for synthesize aspirin, we require the chemicals like salicylic acid, acetic anhydride, concentrated H2SO4, and the other apparatus required: the Buchner funnel, the filter paper, dropper, spatula, tongs, wash bottle, measuring cylinder, ice bath and water bath. So first of all, we'll weigh 2 gram of salicylic acid. So we'll weigh first this watch glass on this weighing machine. So let's say the weight of this watch glass is 21.78 gram. Then we'll tear this mass and we'll take 2 gram of salicylic acid. So now you have to weigh 2 gram of salicylic acid. So you can see actually we have weighed approximately 2.02 gram. So we will take this 2.02 gram and then add acetic anhydride. So we will transfer this salicylic acid into Erlenmeyer flask. So I am transferring this. Then we will add acetic anhydride. So we require actually the 4 to 5 ml of acetic anhydride. So we are adding 4 to 5 ml of acetic anhydride to this 2 gram of salicylic acid. Then we will add 4 to 5 drop of concentrated H2SO4 into this Erlenmeyer flask. Then we have to heat this mixture for 10 minutes on a water bath. So after 10 minutes you can see the color of the mixture is changed into a yellow color. We will add now 60 ml of cold water into the Erlenmeyer flask. So we have this measuring cylinder and the wash bottle for 60 ml of water. Now we will crystallize the aspirin crystals. So for crystallization we have to place this Erlenmeyer flask into this beaker or ice bath for 10 minutes. Now you can see the crystallization is occurring. So we have so many crystals or small crystals of aspirin. Now we have to filter this aspirin. So for filtration purpose we require a filter pump and an assembly having this Buchner funnel with a filter paper. So we have this filter paper, we will filter it down. So for this purpose we have to attach this assembly to the filtration pump. This will create suction and we can start the filtration process. So first of all we will pour small quantity, then we will start this filtering pump. So this will help you for filtration purpose. Slowly we can filter. Then small quantity of small crystals we can wash out with the water for complete filtration. So this filter the aspirin. So this way we can filter the aspirin crystals. Now we have filtered it. Switch off and then we will remove this filter paper and transfer the aspirin crystals into for crystallization. So we are transferring the aspirin crystals into a beaker for recrystallization purpose. So we require the recrystallization process. So for recrystallization we have to dissolve these aspirin crystals into alcohol. So we have this solution for crystallization. So we will recrystallize so that we can get larger crystals of aspirin. We have to place in this ice ball. This beaker into this ice ball for 10 to 15 minutes. Then we will filter it again. So we are getting crystals. So this way we can filter the whole solution to get the larger aspirin crystals. Now we will weigh the aspirin crystals. So after air drying we have to weigh this aspirin crystals. So now we can clearly see the initial weight of filter paper was 1.34 and now we have this weight as 1.46 gram. So we can calculate the yield of the aspirin crystals formed.